and welcome back to my channel and happy spring. It's kind of warming up in Michigan, but we're not quite there yet. But today I'm going to be decorating my porch for spring. Right now we kind of have a in-between season situation, decorations going. So I just want to show you what we have right now, and then I'm going to pull all of my flowers up from the basement and kind of show you the vibe that we're going for this year. Okay, so I always like to do this striped mat. I believe I got that off of Amazon, and it is getting a little bit faded, so after this season it'll probably have to get thrown out. I got this welcome mat from Target. Again, this was like my after Christmas and the New Year wreath setup basically. So this has like some pines and stuff on it. So now that it's spring, it's time for it to go. And then I also got this wreath from Target. It was good for a little while. As you can see, it got a little faded, but it has like glitter flowers that kind of look like hearts. So it was good for like Valentine's Day and, like I said, the in-between season. But my spring and summer setup here is just like much cuter, so I want to take you along with me as I'm decorating for that. And this year we are going to get a couple porch chairs for the front, so that is all part of the decoration. So stay tuned and I will keep you updated with this fun decorating process. So I saved you all the boring hassle of watching me pull all of these pots and flowers from downstairs, but these are obviously faux flowers, but this is what I do for spring, and I really love them. And they look like super bright on the camera, but I swear they're not that bright in real life, but I love them. Hopefully you can hear me with my mask on because I'm trying not to touch my face, but I have my new patio chairs and they're in the back of my car. I did a Target drive up so I didn't have to go into the store because I'm still trying to be extra cautious and careful. So that's what I just did. But they're back there. I'm so excited to show them to you guys. All right, there's no more we because David's gone, but I'm back home and I'm going to pull out my new patio chairs and put them up on the front porch. And I also got cushions for them too that came in the mail yesterday. So my porch decorations are falling into place. I'm going to start decorating now, and I will record that for you as well. But this is so cute. I just wanted to make sure that the chairs fit up there with the pots. I may put them more like in the corners more instead of angled. But I'm going to cut off all the tags and everything because I'm really happy with how this all turned out. Walk through really quick where I got everything. So these flowers and the pots, pots, and the wreath are all from Grandin Road. This welcome mat is actually from Target. They don't make it anymore, but I'll try to find something similar and link it below. The other mat below of it is from Amazon, and then the chairs are from Target. They were on sale, so I'll link those because they're still available. And the cushions are also from Target. So mostly everything was from Grandin Road and Target, but this is the finished product, and I think it's really cute and welcoming. And I'll back up a little bit so you can see it all. I also got these lights right here from Target. All right, so I am back inside. I just let the dogs outside in our fenced-in yard to go to the bathroom. I was just kind of like cleaning up my mess, and I just want to say that most of the items I purchased were from Target or Grandin Road, and I will make sure to link them all below for you guys. I know this was kind of like a quick little vlog of how I decorate my front porch, but at least for spring you guys can get some ideas and inspiration off of our little porch. So again, thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more spring and summer fashion and beauty and more home exciting stuff. We've lived in the house for almost a year, so if you want to see an updated tour and more decoration hauls, please comment below and let me know. Bye.